How do I pair my AirPods to my phone without the charging case?
Welcome to our guide on pairing your AirPods to your phone without the charging case. We'll take you through each step, providing clear instructions to make sure you're up and running in no time.
Why would you need to pair AirPods without a charging case?
Sometimes, we misplace the charging case or it might not be readily available. In such cases, it's good to know that it is possible to connect your AirPods to your phone directly, although the process might be slightly different from the usual method.
How can you turn on your AirPods without a case?
First off, you need to ensure that your AirPods have sufficient charge. AirPods automatically turn on when you take them out of the charging case. If the case is unavailable, your AirPods will remain on and discoverable as long as they have battery life.
How do you connect your AirPods directly to your phone?
The process here is slightly different from the standard pairing method. Follow these steps. 1. Open the Bluetooth settings on your phone. 2. Ensure Bluetooth is turned on. 3. Hold the setup button on your AirPods. This will make them discoverable. Please note, the setup button is on the back of the charging case. If you don't have the charging case, it's likely you won't be able to pair your AirPods to a new device. However, if your AirPods were previously paired with the phone, they should reconnect automatically as long as Bluetooth is turned on and they are within range. 4. On your phone, look for your AirPods in the list of Bluetooth devices and select them.
What if the pairing doesn't work?
If your AirPods won't connect, try restarting your phone. If that doesn't work, you may need to reset your AirPods, but this usually requires the charging case. Pairing your AirPods without the charging case can be a bit tricky. The most important step is ensuring they are discoverable by your phone. We hope this guide has been helpful, and remember, always keep your AirPods and their charging case together to avoid such issues in the future.